Hello everyone, and welcome back to this channel. Now today we're going to be focusing on the Gauth app. Now some of us have heard of it, but we don't really know what it is. Well, whether you've heard of it before or you've not heard of it before, today I'm going to explain exactly what it is. You see, the Gauth app is a two-factor authentication solution that helps users securely access their online accounts. Here are some key features and benefits of the Gauth app. Now, the first key feature we have is called the TOTPS, that is time-based one-time passwords. You see, Gauth generates TOTPS that change every 30 seconds, providing an additional layer of security. Number 2, it has QR code scanner. Users can scan QR codes to quickly add new accounts to the app using the Gauth. Next, we have account management. You see, Gauth allows users to manage multiple accounts, including Google, Facebook, and other popular services. Customization. Users can customize the app's appearance and behavior to suit their preferences. Offline access. Gauth works offline, ensuring that users can access their codes even without an internet connection. So what are the benefits of using the Gauth app? Number 1, you get enhanced security because Gauth provides an additional layer of security, protecting users' online accounts from unauthorized access. 2, convenience. Gauth simplifies the two-factor authentication process, eliminating the need for cumbersome authentication methods. 3, easy account management. Gauth allows users to manage multiple accounts from a single app, making it easy to keep track of their online identities. 4, customization. Gauth customization options enable users to personalize the app to suit their needs. And lastly, offline access. Gauth offline capabilities ensure that users can access their codes even in areas with limited internet connectivity. Now, when it comes to platforms, Gauth is available for both Android and iOS devices, ensuring that users can access their two-factor authentication codes across multiple platforms. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.